The last topic in this chapter is rock cycle. So the definition of rock cycle is the processes of change from one rock to another is known as rock cycle. As you can see the diagram of rock cycle, first you see the hot molten magma which was inside the earth's crust comes to the earth's surface, it cools and solidifies and formed igneous rock. Then these igneous rock due to weathering and erosion formed sediments, and when these loose sediments joined together and formed sedimentary rocks, and then these sedimentary rocks due to high pressure and heat and stress transform into metamorphic rock. So this cycle is called rock cycle and diagrams need to be learned. Now let's discuss some of the question answers. Before I start giving the question answer, one thing I would like to tell you about the question pattern. So there will be two parts in your question. First part you will get 20 marks short question which is compulsory, each carry 10 marks, each carry 2 marks, each carry 2 marks, total 10 questions is there. These are compulsory question, and then you will get 10 marks for world map pointing, okay. And the second part there will be structure question, and each structure question will carry 10 marks. Out of 9 you have to attempt any 5 structure question, chapter wise it will come, okay. So here I have given 6 questions which are basic questions. So the first question is differentiate between rocks and minerals. As you can see here I have already written the answer. You can write from here. So the rocks are aggregate of minerals, mineral element, and minerals are solid inorganic substances occurring naturally. A rock has no definite chemical composition and minerals have a definite chemical composition. Example basalt, granite, sandstone, and here in the example in minerals you will write iron, silicon, etc. So the next question is how are sedimentary rocks formed? Now let's go back to the part again. Sedimentary rock and the formation, see I have written with the diagram. So you have also I need to write like this. So when igneous rocks broke down by weathering and carried away by the forces of gradation like rivers, glaciers and waves, they are deposited as sediments. The sediments get cemented together to form sedimentary rock. Next question, mention the characteristics of igneous rock. So you see here I have written the characteristic, the 3 points. They are hard and compact, they are granular and crystalline, and they are formed by solidification of magma. Now let's see the next question. Draw a neat and well labeled diagram of rock cycle. You see this diagram you need to draw with definition. Then metamorphic rocks are also called change rock. Give reason. So in the metamorphic rock, see we have learned that that these rocks completely change its forms. So that is why it is also known as change rock. Then the last question, define intrusive igneous rock. So the intrusive igneous rock, see here the definition. These rocks are formed from magma that cools and solidifies within the earth's crust, and the examples are granite, gabbro and dolomite. So these type of question you will get from this chapter, and make sure you practice from your textbook also all the exercise question answers.